In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks by priority in Todoist. Being able to quickly see your most important tasks can make a big difference in how you plan your day. Instead of scrolling through a long list of everything you need to do, it's much more efficient to narrow it down and focus on what really matters first. That's exactly what filtering by priority allows you to do in Todoist. Start by opening your Todoist app or website and going to the project or task view where you normally manage your to-dos. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen for the option labeled Display. This is usually found in the toolbar above your task list. The Display option controls how your tasks are shown, so it's the place you go when you want to change sorting, grouping, or, in this case, filtering by priority. Click on Display. When you do this, a small menu or panel will appear with several choices for how you want to view your tasks. Take a moment to look around this menu, because it can be helpful later if you want to adjust other aspects of your layout. For now though, we're focused on priorities. Within this display menu, look for the option called Priority. This is where Todoist lets you organize or filter your tasks based on the priority levels you've assigned, such as high, medium, or low. Go ahead and click on Priority. Once you click Priority, Todoist will adjust the view of your task list. Depending on your version or current settings, your tasks may now be grouped by priority level or sorted so that the highest priority items appear at the top. The key idea is that your important tasks become much easier to see, and lower priority items move further down the list. If you don't immediately see a change, double check that your tasks actually have priorities assigned. Tasks without a priority might appear at the bottom or be grouped separately. It's a good habit to assign a priority whenever you create a new task so that this filter view stays useful and accurate. You can always return to the display menu at any time to adjust the view again, whether you want to go back to a standard list or experiment with other display options.